Welcome to the TubeBuddy Express podcast, brought to you by TubeBuddy, the #1 tool to make your YouTube life easy. Each week, we discuss how you can utilize TubeBuddy to enhance your YouTube experience and make your life as a creator easier. And now, here's your host, Dusty Porter.
Hello, guys. Welcome back to episode 83 of the TubeBuddy Express podcast. My name is Dusty Porter, the host of this wonderful show. As you can probably already tell from the title of the show, we are brought to you every single Friday by the fine folks over at TubeBuddy, the browser plugin that just keeps on going. If you haven't heard, they now have a mobile app. Guys, if you haven't already, go to your iOS store near you, download the app. I promise you will not regret it. Click the link in the show notes for more information about TubeBuddy. For you Android users, it will be coming down the pipeline as soon as possible. As soon as Google approves it, we will be on the Android store as well. So today we are going to be talking all about tentpole content. So you may be wondering, what are you talking about, Dusty? Tentpole content. So first, we need to understand what a tentpole is. So in the realm of content creation, whether you're a blogger or a YouTuber or a podcaster, any form of content creation, you need to create something that I call and multiple people call tentpole content. It's that big, long-form content. It's the content you're going to be directing people towards literally for years to come. So on YouTube, that may be your YouTube channel trailer, or it may be a couple of videos that you put up on a playlist at the top of your homepage when someone comes to your channel, letting people know what you're all about. Now, when it comes to creating tentpole content, there's a couple of benefits of doing it. I'm going to be covering those today, but again, you need to understand that a tent pole is something that keeps everything grounded. It keeps the tent from blowing away. And so what you're going to want is the tent pole conversation is going to be the meat and potatoes. It's going to be the main thing that helps you grow your channel. It's going to be that piece of content when a sponsor messages you about a prospective sponsorship, you say, hey, go watch this playlist, and that's full of all of your tent pole, basically all of your tentpole content. Now, if you're a blogger, it's very important that you have these tentpole pieces at the homepage, at the front of your blog. If you're a podcaster, these are the episodes that you have on quick release, to where when someone asks you, what do you do? What show do you host? What show do you create? You send them links to these episodes. We all have them. And if you're a creator, I want to encourage you to learn to create tentpole content. Now, if you're a video game channel, what could this be for you? This may be a playthrough or a video compilation of some of your best clips. If you are a vlogger, it may be some of your most emotional moments. It may be some of your biggest times that you've ever captured on film. So you need to think about what a tentpole is. It's something that keeps something else grounded. That's something else being the tent. And so you've got to think about this when it comes to your YouTube channel. The tentpole content, the big content, the stuff that we want to be long form, and normally tentpole content is much longer than, say, the normal uploads that you would upload on a daily basis. And so I've got to thinking, as I did research for this, I got to thinking about what we need to do as creators to understand what tentpole what tentpole content can be for us. So let me dive into that just for a couple of minutes. And so what I want you to think of is this. When someone lands on your channel, they go and they watch a video of yours and they click on your channel link. They click on the Dusty Porter name. They go to my channel. What do I want them to see? And so for me, what I've decided for it to be is that I have a playlist on my YouTube channel that is called How to Grow on YouTube. Okay, and then the next playlist below that is how to live stream from start to finish. And so you may be thinking to yourself, what do you mean? How is this tentpole stuff? Well, it's very simple. The Grow Your YouTube Channel stuff has all of my big tutorials, all of my training videos that will get someone up and running who has never had or done anything on YouTube before. And then the live streaming from start to finish playlist has all of my tentpole videos to get someone who knows nothing about live streaming from A to Z. So what I've done is I put my big stuff, my more flashy stuff. Why do you think retail stores put their most popular items right when you walk in the door? These are tentpole items. These are the items that capture the attention. These are the things that will draw your audience in and keep them there. Sure, anybody can get people to come to their channel, But what sets you apart from the rest is, can you get them to subscribe? See, that's the thing. Not necessarily subscribe. That's really a poor way of putting it. Can you get them to become one of your community members? Can you have them become part of what you're trying to accomplish on your channel? And I believe, I'm thoroughly convinced that tentpole content will be that. And so for your channel, you need to jot down some videos that you need to do that will eventually be your tentpole content. Whether it's your channel trailer, whether it's your first couple of playlists on your channel, that tentpole content will help you move your channel forward and really, really be the content that lasts for a long time. I speak a lot about evergreen content. It goes synonymously with tentpole content. And so when you create content that's going to be working for you, I was just guesting on a podcast, the VidPal podcast, just recently, and Nick Niven asked me, he said, Dusty, what are some tips you would give? Well, one of those tips was create content that'll be working for you forever. Create content that'll be working for you when you're asleep, when you're on the beach, when you're on a family vacation. You see, this tentpole content will be working for you. My YouTube tutorials, my YouTube training that's in the Grow Your YouTube channel content on my channel is going to be that content that people can go back to year after year after year. You see, that's why you want tentpole content. It lasts for a long time. It's evergreen. It's beautiful. Hopefully you got something out of this. Hopefully you can think of what can be your tentpole content. Really, really hope you got something out of it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button where every single Friday we release a new episode here on the TubeBuddy Express feed. If you haven't already, go check out my other podcast called the YouTube Creators Hub Show, where I interview a fantastic creator every single Wednesday. This past week, I had Dan Courier from Creator Fundamentals on the show, and he just did such a great job just talking about his strategies and techniques of growing a YouTube channel from the ground up. So definitely click the link in the show notes and check that out as well. Thanks to TubeBuddy, as always, for sponsoring this, guys. If you haven't already, click the link there. Try out TubeBuddy. I promise you will not regret it. Talk to you guys in the next one.